Hi there! Okay, we are going to be reviewing characters. We've gone over characters several times, but today we're not only going over characters, but character traits. So, what is a character? I'm going to give you a moment to think about that. We've talked about it several times, so it should be a review. What are characters? All right. Okay, characters. Who are they? Characters are the people, animals, or things a story is about. Look for clues in the words and pictures to get to know them a little bit better. Okay? So what? What does that mean? What? What about the characters? Well, describe what characters look like and what they think, feel, say, and do. All right? So both of these so far have to do with character traits. We'll talk about that in a minute. Why? Tell why they do what they do. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about character traits. All right, because this whole poster that we've been going over the last couple of months has to do with character traits. We just didn't talk about it just yet. So this should look a little familiar. Okay, remember this poster? Character traits, outside, inside. All right, in a minute we're going to talk about why the other poster has to do with this one. But let's go over this. Outside. Outside is what you can see. See the little eyes? What you can see. Go ahead and do that with me. Outside. Good. It's what you can see. Copy me. Good. Okay. These are called physical traits. Try that word. Say that word. Physical traits. Good job. What we can see the hair color, eye color, height, clothing, size, facial features. Okay? So what you can see on the outside. That's why this little girl, you can see like the color of her hair, her dress, and then on the inside, these are the person's thoughts, their words, their feelings, their actions, right? This is called personality traits. Say that word with me. Personality traits. You cannot see a person's personalities traits just by looking at them. You have to get to know that person, that character, right? So, what we learn from actions, words, and thoughts. So, we're going to talk about a character here in a little bit, but this is a character trait. So, who? Characters are the people, animals, or things a story is about. Look for clues and words to get to know them. So, this has to do with the personality traits on the inside. You have to get to know them and find out why they do what they do. So this is personality, okay? What? The what is actually the physical traits, what we can see. So who and why is this right here, inside. We have to get to know the character and find out why they behave the way they behave. And then the what is what they look like, all right? So let's go ahead and pick a character and talk about the different character traits they have. All right, I'm going to talk about my favorite character, Pete the cat. Let's talk about the outside, what we can see, right? So outside, what we can see. So take a moment. Look at Pete the cat. What do you see? To yourself, what do you see? All right, a few more time, pause the video, but I don't know if you've noticed, but Pete the cat is a blue cat. So his fur is blue. So that's that. He always wears his yellow little jacket. So clothing, height. He's a cat, so he's not very tall. So he's small, blue, yellow jacket. Let's see, hair color, eye color. I think his eyes are, they're brown. His brown eyes. He's just always, the way he looks, his facial feature, he's just very calm. Sometimes he smiles, he's just very calm, okay? So that's what he looks like on the outside. Now on the inside, how does he behave? What are his thoughts, his words, his feelings, the way he behaves, his actions? He's calm. He's cool. He's nice. He's a good friend. He's just very calm and chill. All right, so that's what characters are. Remember, characters, the people or animals or things in a story. Then the character traits. You get that character you're reading about, and then you look at the character and their physical traits, what you can see on the outside, and then on the inside, their personality traits. How do they behave? What do they say? Are they a nice character? Not a very nice character, kind of mean, grouchy? Are they calm? All right, so that's characters.